Hey there, welcome to Sam's Mercantile, your go-to place for expert tips, creative techniques, and practical advice in the world of design and printing. Whether you're looking to turn your passion into a small business or you're just starting out, you're in the right spot. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 must-know tips for starting your t-shirt printing business. I'm talking about things you might not have thought of yet, stuff that'll save you time, money, and frustration as you launch your business. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. First up, find your niche. I cannot stress this enough. If you try to be everything to everyone, you'll end up being nothing to no one. T-shirt printing is a competitive world, so narrowing your focus will set you apart. Think about your passions. Are you into fitness, gaming, cats? The weirder, the better. People love unique, tailored designs. But don't stop there. Research your target market. Get to know what's trending within your chosen niche. For example, if you're into outdoor adventures, designs based on hiking, camping, or nature might resonate. The point is, focus on a group that shares a passion and create designs that speak directly to them. Next, invest in quality equipment. Now, this doesn't mean you need to break the bank right out of the gate, but skimping on equipment is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. A subpar printer or heat press will only lead to frustration and poor quality prints that won't last. If you're doing screen printing, you'll need screens, inks, and a press. If you're going the direct-to-garment (DTG) route, investing in a quality printer is crucial. Do your research and pick equipment that's reliable, well-reviewed, and fits your budget. In the long run, you'll be saving yourself the headache of constantly dealing with malfunctions or poor results, and your customers will thank you for it when they get their shirts and they actually look great. Tip number 3, start small and scale gradually. I know it can be tempting to jump in and go full throttle, thinking that the more products you have, the more successful you'll be. But trust me, that's a recipe for disaster. When you're first starting out, it's all about testing the waters. Start with a limited number of designs or a small product range, maybe just a handful of t-shirt designs and 1 or 2 other products like mugs or hats. This way, you can hone your process, learn what works, and refine your designs without overwhelming yourself. Once you've got your workflow down and you understand what your customers want, you can start expanding your offerings. Take it slow and grow at your own pace. Moving on to tip number 4, build a strong online presence. If you're not on the internet, you don't exist. Period. And I'm not just talking about having a website, I'm talking about having an active presence on social media too. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are gold mines for businesses in the print-on-demand space. Instagram is particularly great for visual businesses like t-shirt printing because it allows you to showcase your designs in a creative way. But don't just post random pictures of your shirts. Tell a story. Share behind-the-scenes looks at your design process, unboxings, or customer testimonials. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, sharing user-generated content, and hosting giveaways. When you create content that resonates, your audience will not only follow you, they'll buy from you too. Last but certainly not least, perfect your customer service. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's one of the most underrated aspects of running a successful t-shirt printing business. Your customers are your lifeblood, and if they're not happy, you're not going to last long. From the moment they land on your website to the time they receive their order, your job is to make them feel valued. Respond to inquiries promptly, resolve issues quickly, and go above and beyond to make their experience memorable. Remember, a happy customer is more likely to come back, and they'll bring their friends with them. Plus, always be transparent about shipping times, product quality, and any other details to avoid complaints or confusion later on. So, there you have it. 5 must-know tips for starting your t-shirt printing business. From finding your niche to building a strong online presence, these tips will help you get started on the right foot and avoid some common pitfalls along the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know what your next steps are in your t-shirt printing journey. I'm always here to help and would love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep creating, keep printing, and keep growing your business.